When it comes to making your apartment look good, a lot of people think you need to spend a ton of money on designer pieces and expensive furniture. But honestly, that's not true at all. Some of the best home decor pieces are actually affordable. You just need to know what to look for. And that's exactly why IKEA is so good. They have a ton of pieces that are clean, minimal, functional, and can make your space look way more elevated if you style them correctly. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 8 IKEA decor items that everybody needs in their apartment. These are pieces that can instantly make your space look more intentional, more put together, and overall just better to live in. Whether you're moving into a new apartment, redecorating your room, or just trying to upgrade your setup, this video is going to give you some solid inspiration. Now, with that being said, let's get into the first item. Alright, starting with the first item, the IKEA Varblix lamp. Just FYI, I'm probably gonna butcher all of these names, so just go with it. If you've been on interior design TikTok or Pinterest at all, you've probably seen this lamp before. It's become super popular because it has such a unique design. That orange glass donut shape instantly adds character to your space while still feeling minimal and modern. The warm glow it gives off makes your room feel way more cozy and intentional, which is why so many people love it. What I love most about this piece is that it doesn't just look like a regular lamp. It almost feels like decor and lighting combined into one. You can place it on a shelf, desk, nightstand, or even mount it on the wall, and it instantly becomes a statement piece. So if you want one item from IKEA that will instantly make your apartment look way more stylish, this is honestly one of the best ones you can get. Now for the price, this lamp is retailing for $100. Alright, next up is the IKEA Scalbada armchair. This is one of those pieces that instantly adds personality to your space. The bright orange color makes it more of a statement piece. So if your apartment is mostly neutral tones like black, gray, white, or beige, this can add a really nice pop of color. It also has this slightly retro, sculptural look to it, which makes your space feel a bit more curated and intentional rather than just looking like you bought random furniture. What I like about this chair is that it's functional, but it also feels like decor on its own. You can place it in the corner, next to a side table, or in a reading area, and it instantly makes that part of your apartment look more interesting. So if you want one functional piece from IKEA that can add both character and color to your space, this is a really solid option. Now for the price, this chair is also retailing for $100. Alright, getting into that music and audio space, we have the IKEA Vapabeat Bluetooth speaker. This is one of those items that's both practical and aesthetic. A lot of speakers don't actually look this good sitting in your apartment, but this one blends in really nicely with a minimal or modern setup. It has that clean Scandinavian design IKEA is known for, so it almost feels like decor rather than just a tech product. And obviously, it's functional too, whether you're playing music, a podcast, or just adding some ambience to your space. So if you want a speaker that actually looks good sitting on a shelf, desk, or side table, this is a really solid pickup. Now for the price, the speaker is retailing for $80. Alright, next up is the IKEA Gosudair pendant lampshade. This is a really solid piece if you want to add some texture and softness to your space. A lot of apartments can feel too harsh or plain when everything is metal, glass, or just flat surfaces. So having something like this helps balance everything out. What makes this lampshade nice is the handmade, slightly organic design. It has a more sculptural look to it, which makes it feel a bit more elevated than your typical basic lamp. And because it's white, it stays minimal and works with pretty much any color palette. This is a type of piece that adds subtle character to your space without being too loud. Hang it over a dining table, in your bedroom, or even in a living room corner, and it instantly makes the space feel more warm and curated. So if you're into softer, more minimal interiors, this is a really nice decor piece to add. Now for the price, this lamp is only retailing for $10, which is of course extremely affordable. Alright, next up is the IKEA Omar shelf unit. This is one of those pieces that's super simple, but if styled correctly, it can make your apartment look way more intentional. A lot of people just use random shelves or storage bins, but having an open shelf like this allows you to display your items in a cleaner way. The industrial metal look gives it a slightly more modern, utilitarian aesthetic, which works really well if you're into minimal interiors. And because it's open shelving, you can style it with books, candles, speakers, decor pieces, plants, or even folded clothes and sneakers. What I like about this piece is that it's both functional and aesthetic at the same time. It gives you extra storage, but it also acts as a display piece that helps fill out empty wall space. So if you want a versatile shelving unit that can help organize your space while also making it look better, this is a really solid IKEA pickup. Now for the price, this shelving unit is only $65, which is not expensive for a shelving unit. Alright, next up is the IKEA Hovet mirror. This is honestly the best IKEA pickup you can get if you want your space to feel bigger and more elevated. A large mirror like this instantly opens up the space, reflects more light, and just makes your room feel less cramped. What makes the Hovet so popular is its size and simplicity. The frame is super minimal, so it works with pretty much any aesthetic, whether your space is modern, industrial, or more minimal. It's also just really functional, whether you're using it for outfit checks, taking mirror selfies, or just filling up an empty wall. It's one of those pieces that serve multiple purposes while still looking good. So if you want one decor item that can make your apartment feel larger, brighter, and more put together, the Hovet mirror is definitely a must-have. Now for the price, this mirror retails for $170, which is pretty pricey, but for the size and build quality, I'd say it's 100% worth it. Alright, next up is the IKEA photo table lamp. This is one of IKEA's most iconic decor items, and for good reason. The spherical shape is super simple, but it adds a really clean and modern touch to your space. What makes this lamp so good is the lighting. Instead of harsh overhead lights, the photo gives off a much softer ambient glow, which instantly makes your apartment feel more cozy and elevated. It's also really versatile. You can place it on a nightstand, desk, shelf, or side table, and it just works. Because the design is so minimal, it fits into pretty much any aesthetic, whether your space is more modern, minimal, or Scandinavian inspired. So if you're trying to improve the overall vibe of your apartment with better lighting, this is a really easy and affordable pickup. Now for the price, this lamp is retailing for $30. Alright, for the last item, I don't really know how to pronounce this name, so we're just gonna call it the IKEA Decorative Convex Mirror. This is one of those smaller IKEA decor items that adds a lot more character than you'd expect. Not every mirror has to be large and functional like a full body mirror. Sometimes smaller accent mirrors like this can make your walls feel more styled and intentional. What makes this piece stand out is the convex shape. It has a slightly more vintage, decorative feel to it, which adds a bit more personality compared to a standard flat mirror. And because of the black frame, it still feels modern and works really well in minimal or monochromatic spaces. This is the type of piece you'd use to fill empty wall space or layer into a gallery wall setup. It's subtle, but it adds that extra detail that makes your apartment feel less plain and more curated. So if you want a smaller decor item that adds visual interest without taking up too much space, this is a really nice finishing touch. Now for the price, this mirror is retailing for $50. And there you have it, 8 IKEA decor items that every stylish apartment needs. Let me know which items is your favorite down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, then you're gonna love this video right over here. So check this video out right over here, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.